Hello everyone, this is Bobby at Coppell TV Repair with a quick video today that is meant to help those who encounter a problem with a TCL model number 55P607. It probably will apply to other models as well. The problem with which this TV was brought to here was that it was starting up and the screen was empty. The backlight was coming up, but there was nothing on the screen. The TV was responding to the power on, power off button. You could hear sounds from selection probably being made. It looked like it was working fine. And it could have been different things. Long story short, it ended up being the TCOM board, which is that board that you see here. 3429110036. I don't know which one of those is the unique number, but it was a primary suspect. We have also seen cases where it could have been the screen or something else, and I don't know what on that board has been the problem, because we took a risk and ordered a board that is actually different. This is the original. I'm rotating it so you can see both of them at the same time. The PCB itself on the original board, that's the one on top, as you can see, ends with C7. The other one is C1, so this is probably older board by design, unless of course the more important number is bigger. I don't really know which one of them is newer and which is older. You can also see the alignment is slightly different. The alignment of the processor itself is different. Pin 1 here is top right, pin 1 here is low right. They do look aside on the camera, but I can assure you they are different. What else was different there other than the ICs? I remember were different that we were comparing, because I was suspecting that the EEPROM here may be bad. Nothing, no shortages, nothing suspicious on that board. But long story short, we ordered this in its place, and it just worked fine. And that is all. Hopefully this can help someone avoid ordering a bunch of parts that they don't need. That is all. Thank you very much.